Hey, could you get that over there by the wheel?
Yeah, hey, Evan, can you hand me the drill?
Sure. It's spilling acid!
Oh my God, we do! Get away from it!
Somebody should get the safety captain.
What's going on? What happened?
He did it!
Okay, first, I need you to go get our mentor. Next, we need to get our battery spill kit. In every battery spill kit, there should be rubber gloves, baking soda, a broom and dustpan, and paper towel.
Evan said there was a problem here?
Yeah, that's for Chad. I'm just teaching these guys how to clean up our battery spill.
Okay, first, you guys need your personal protective gear, goggles and gloves. Now, we can pour baking soda over the acid to neutralize it. Now that the battery is safe, you can put it in a plastic bag or leak-proof container. Make sure you neutralize any leftover battery acid with baking soda. Now that the battery's out of the way, you guys can sweep up the remaining baking soda and use a paper towel to get any of the neutralized battery acid.